Howard. Welcome back to the HR Show Experience. I'm about to make a cake, honey. I'm really about to make a cake. I'm so shook. I had no intentions of doing this with my friends. And we just had a delicious meal, okay? And we need dessert. We had pork chops, turkey wings. There was macaroni and cheese, cabbage. Oh yes. And fried potatoes, honey. Bada bow. Wow. Okay, it was great. Okay, great. So now I will attempt to do this. As you guys know, I do not cook, honey. That is just not my good time. This is not what I do. But I'm gonna attempt to do this. And I know I'm probably looking a whole mess. I'm looking rough. Honey, I got these raccoon eyes because for some reason it seems to be forever the most difficult thing for me to get this makeup off of my eyeballs. But anyway. And I've been making jello. I have.
That's the worst container.
I have been bringing myself together so I can just, do things. Look at me. I'm about to get this cracking. Flour, 2 cups. We got these little cup thingies here. Little measuring cups. We got these things. Otherwise, I don't know how I was going to figure out a cup. Oh, God. The flour? I got flour. Is this enough for 2 cups in here? Okay. We have a mixer here. See? A mixer. Now I'm putting flour into the mixing bowl. God help me. Really. Ooh! Listen, I'm gonna get this cake baked.
There's ingredients and then there's instructions.
There are ingredients and there are instructions, honey, and the first thing in the ingredients said is 2 cups of flour, so I really am trying my best, you guys, and they're really trying to get me to do these extra steps. 2 cups of flour. Let's get this flour in here first, and then we will scroll on down to the instructions. Okay, great. Oh God, I have to preheat the oven. Alright. Preheating. What the hell does it say? It says the flour. I was right. Oh my God. Make me think I don't know what I'm doing.
Because you put a cap on.
Well, yes. Everything is going to be fine. Okay, so flour, salt, baking powder. I'm doing this. I was right.
All ingredients in there.
Yes, I can.
No. Normally, dry ingredients is what goes in there first.
Well, that's what it told me to do. That's what I was already doing.
But you put it down.
Salt, baking powder. Bam. Cooking now. So I put 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of the baking powder. Oh God. Okay, so I know a half a teaspoon. I need 2 of those for the salt. So, and then I need like a half of this.
You need a whole teaspoon?
Yes, 1 1/4 teaspoons salt. Do you not want me to put that in there?
Yes.
Now look now.
That's your half.
I cannot do that. Wait a minute.
Is that a half teaspoon?
This is not. This is a half a tablespoon.
That's fine. Right there, the salt is
Look! I cannot do this. I'm gonna just have to play along, and we have a teaspoon. This is a teaspoon.
So how much salt do you need?
1 1/4. So I'm gonna put 1 1/4.
One, not a heaping. So just should have remembered that's it.
Okay. 1
And a 4.
1/4. That's enough. Jesus Christ. I got to do what? 2 teaspoons baking soda. Powder.
That's like you enjoy it.
I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. I'm a chef. 1, That's great. Okay, great. And here we go. And okay, it's not plugged in. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. I'm cooking. I am cooking, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah. I'm cooking, you guys. I'm cooking. So now I'm gonna add vanilla, eggs, sugar, and vanilla, and then we're gonna add milk. Oh,
Let's take it one thing at a time.
butter.
You're in the instructions. Right?
Yeah.
Alright,
No.
So what's the next thing it says?
I was in the ingredient. I was in the ingredients. I could not do all those instructions. It's too much. So I got it. We're gonna add a tablespoon and a half of vanilla because that's what I'm gonna do. I want this delicious.
From the instructions.
No. We changing the instructions.
What?
Yes.
No.
Yes. Because we don't have almond and I don't want lemon. So can we add extra vanilla?
What's wrong with that?
I don't know if I like lemon in my cake.
You put it in your cookies.
And I didn't like it in my cookies.
You did it with the blood.
You like my cookies?
Yes, it's so good.
Oh my God. Stop.
You put the right measurement.
Yes. And it's large eggs. It says on the recipe, large eggs. And we have large eggs here. Wait a minute, everybody. Starting over. It's been 25 minutes and still nothing has happened. And now, we're gonna crack our eggs in a separate bowl. Yay! Because honey, we cannot start over again. If I have to start over again, there won't be a cake and we're just gonna go to bed. Okay, the first egg is going in. Yay! Second egg is in. Look now.
Instructions.
I am trying to do the eggs and you want to know about the stirring speed. It's stirring it.
I'm saying.
And it's slow.
Does the instructions say anything?
No.
You don't care.
I am trying to get these damn eggs in here and you want to worry about the speed of the stirrer. My God. And look at it. It's getting like dough. One cup of milk. Right? Yep. A third of a cup of vegetable oil. Wait, what is it say? A third of a cup of vegetable oil.
And that's a third of it.
Is that not what that says? Is that there? Okay, that's fine. See now. A fourth of a cup of butter. So we're going to just drop a lump of butter in there. It's going to be good. Is this the ingredients or the instructions?
Instructions.
I said I have to clean it up. How do I figure out? They have all these markings. What is a fourth of a cup? They all look like they hold a cup.
No. They are
half a cup. 4 tablespoons equal a fourth a cup. And that's what I'm supposed to put in here, right? 1/4 cup, yes. So I need to count
So
4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Right, that's a half a cup. So it's like a half a stick. Oh, that's just a half a stick of butter. gonna melt this butter real quick. Let's stir. Doesn't look like very much cake batter. It's okay. So because I wanted it to, it wasn't mixing fast enough. Is that not good? It looks like dough. I mean, or like cake stuff, doesn't it? Look, don't hire me to bake your birthday. I only have one cake pan. She's a little bitty, but honey, we're gonna cook a couple of these and we're gonna layer this bad boy, okay? And it's gonna be really great. Watch. You make sure you spray your cake pans. You don't want your cake to stick. Today, I will be using Pam. Pam is good to help your things not stick. Spray. It was unlocked the whole time. Oh my gosh. This is too much.
Like you were a kid. Always put your finger along the side to see if it tastes like cake batter. Is it sweet? Is it? You've never tasted authentic cake batter?
This is nasty.
What? What did you just say?
It's nasty.
Ah! Because I never heard you say sugar at all.
Oh, I forgot the sugar. I forgot the sugar, you guys. Forgot the sugar. So
I told you to look at the instructions.
I thought I did. Sugar. 1 cup. 2 cups.
This was about to be an incredible mess.
Now a little extra. Oh no, the bowl wasn't locked in. So right now we're stirring it. It looks like cake batter. Delicious. Oh my god. I think it's done. Okay, we're gonna taste it now. Oh no, that's really good. That's actually really, really good. That's really.
It tastes like cake batter.
It really is delicious. Oh wow.
I'm about to put some shit in that.
How was it? It's gonna be really bad, you guys. It's gonna be really bad. Okay, you guys, I'm back real quick because I'm going to sleep. Oh, I'm gonna try to wash my face again to get this raccoon eye gone, but it seems to be something that just stays at all times. Anyway, so and I had to stop recording because it was just really a whole mess. I cooked the pie. I mean, I cooked the cake. And I made the icing. See, here we go. Let's look at it. Wow. I did that. I did. It looks a little tricky. I know what you mean. I know. But I'm assuming that she will taste good. Okay? I'm assuming. Okay, you guys, so, oh God, I have a piece of cake here. It's time to eat it. Okay, maybe I should get low. Okay, so you can see it too. Can you see the cake? There we go. I'm gonna get a little piece. Here we go. Why is it so overexposed? Oh my god. Here we go. So, it's okay. I'd love to give it another go. Hold on. Let me try some more. Because I think it's delicious.
It's okay.
Well, just because I'm not sure if the cake is dry or is it my mouth. You know? Let me see. Because it's upon arrival, it's delicious. See, you don't want to be in the video, honey, but you just walk on in the shop. Sure what? It's delicious, actually. This cake I made. I did this. I'm sure. And I like cake. And I'm happy I started over and got the eggshells out. Cause that would have been really bad. Oh my god. Oh honey, no. Basically with no sugar would have been the worst. What do you think? Take your time. Let it marinate on your palate. Is that what they say? We want to know about the icing, and we want to know about the cake.
The icing's good.
The icing is good to you? Yes.
The cake is not bad.
The cake is not bad.
Could use a little more moisture, but
Look.
it's an edible cake.
I made a cake from scratch, ladies and gentlemen. And you saw it here. Honey, I've never done such a thing. Honey, I don't know. I might not ever do it again. Maybe. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll overbeat it. Maybe I did because I was having a good time when with the mixer. And going slow was no fun. I know this is gonna look kind of crazy just because, like, randomly I decided to eat some cake and I have a face mask on, but here we go. Yeah. So, that was me. Baking cake, and yes, I did make that icing from scratch. Okay, buttercream with butter, milk, sugar, confectionered. Indeed. I don't think there was anything else that goes in there, honey, and I don't even remember, but I'm going to bed. So thank you guys so much for watching. If this is your first time watching me, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell, sis. Don't play. Thumbs up this video if you liked it, leave a comment, and please follow me on social media. There are links in the description, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Oh, ow! Bye.